In this video, we will work on turning chains. A turning chain will bring your work up the right height for the next row that you're working on. So in single crochet, work to the end of your row. And you need one chain, one turning chain, before turning your work and beginning the following row. Again, this brings your stitch height up to the right height for the next row when working in that same stitch. Now for double crochet, again, work to the end of your row. And for double crochet, you need 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work, and then begin working into your next row. This ensures that your edges stay straight and that your stitch count is accurate. At the same time, bringing that height up. So this is single and this is double. For half double, which would be somewhere in the middle, you would do 2 turning chains. So again, single, 1 turning chain, half double, 2, double, 3.